Hello, welcome to CEC online class. Myself Diman Choudhury, Senior Software Faculty of CEC Head Office. Today I am going to show you the practical classes of MS PowerPoint. If you have any doubts, just write in the comment box. And don't forget to like our CEC Guwahati Facebook page and subscribe our YouTube channel CEC Education Videos. So let's start our class today. Students, first of all, you open your Microsoft PowerPoint. So different versions are available of Microsoft PowerPoint. Now I am using 2007 Microsoft PowerPoint. First of all, I am going to introduce the PowerPoint interface here. So I am using mouse scroll to show the interface. This one is called Quick Access Toolbar. Okay, you can add or remove the shortcuts of different options in Quick Access Toolbar. You can customize your Quick Access also toolbar. After that, this one is called File tab. In File tab, different menu options are available. This one is called Ribbon. In Ribbon, the tab options are available. Okay, this one is called Ribbon. Tabs, Home, Insert, Designs, Animation, lots of tabs are available here. We can explain step by step in next classes. Okay, after that, Slide tool. Here you can see the two slides are available here because I am now using two slides. So this one is called Slide tools. You can add slide from Home tab, then this new slide is coming this way. Okay, after that, Zoom option. The zoom option is available in the below. You can zoom in or zoom out using plus or minus button. Title bar. In the upper side, you can see here the presentation one is available here. So this one is called title bar. You can change this title using the save button and change the title name. Notes section. In the below section, one notes section is available here. When you go for a presentation, then the notes section can help you. Only speaker can see the notes section. Okay, so this one is PowerPoint interface. Now I am going to show you how to add slides and how you can insert texts or pictures and in videos, etc. So in the first I already insert 3 slides, so now I delete this slide. After that, I want to add a slide in here, number 3 slide. Okay, so for that you can click on new slide and you can choose a slide as your wish. The title slide, title and content, to content, comparison, blank. So different slides are available here. If so, go to the new slide, you can insert title and slide. Okay, here you can click write as MS PowerPoint. Okay, so you can just for example, I just want to write the just PowerPoint 2007. I just tried 2 sentences here. Okay, so now just like MS Word, you can select the word and you can align, you can change the text size, you can change the text font like that, you can bold, italic, underline, you can change the color. Okay, this is like that MS Word. You can add bullets or numbering like that. Okay, so this one is basic of MS PowerPoint. This one is after you insert slide and you can write anything, you can sense as like MS Word. Okay, if you need another slide, then go to content. If you want to comparison something, and you can write here. Okay, you can put insert image. Just click here. I want to pick the picture. Select the picture. Insert. Okay, like that. You can insert a picture like that. Now I will show you how to insert a picture from insert tab. Okay, for that first I insert a blank slide. Okay, if you want to insert text, then just click on insert tab and click on text box. You can also put here a text box and write. Now I will put a picture from, go to the insert tab, picture, insert. Okay, like that. These options are same as MS Word. How you move the image, how you rotate the image, how you can sense the shape of the size, border, effects, all are same as MS Word. Now I want to insert a table here, so you can go to the insert table, select the row and column. Just you can insert this table. You can increase the size of the table like that. Today I just show you the how to use the all tabs in just basically. Okay, now if you want to insert a design, just go through anyone and click here. If you need different design in different slide, then go through that slide, just right click and apply to selected slide. Okay, so if you want to put a picture in the background, just go to the background style, go to background style, click on format background, select picture or texture file, insert from file, then select any one picture like that, insert. See, in the background picture is coming. If you want to apply all the slide, then apply to all, otherwise you can close it. Then go to the animation, select anyone, remove, untick this on mouse click option and automatically after 2 seconds. Then go to the another slide, select anyone, untick mouse click, select like that. Just practice at home how to use insert, design, animation. And now I will go to the slideshow. Go to the slideshow from beginning. You can access it like that, one by one slide. Okay, so today I just show you the basic idea of MS PowerPoint. So in the next class we will explain the insert tab, design, animation, and how to convert a MS PowerPoint file into a video file, or how to work with different windows, how to design a master slide. All different things are learned in the next class. So hope all of you are understand from this video, and for today that's all. If you have any doubts, just comment below and we will solve it. Thank you.